Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Roblox games offline. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Roblox currently does not support offline play. Since Roblox is a live service platform, all of its games run online, meaning you can't play without an internet connection. However, if your goal is to play Roblox without being disturbed by your friends or other online players, there's a way to do this by adjusting your privacy settings. This method allows you to play Roblox games while making yourself invisible to your friends, so they won't be able to see your activity or bother you with messages or invites. To start, open the Roblox app on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom right of your screen and tap on the More tab. This will open a menu with different options, and from here you want to select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, there are various options to customize your account and experience, but for now, select Privacy. Once you are in the privacy settings, you will see multiple categories that control how you interact with others on Roblox. Look for the section labeled Communication and adjust each option. Here you want to set everything under Communication to No One. This means that no one on Roblox will be able to message you, send your friend requests, or invite you to games. Essentially, this will cut off all communication from your friends, making it seem like you're offline to everyone. Next, move on to the other settings section under Privacy. Go to Visibility and Private Server. Here you'll also want to select No One for every option. The settings control who can see your activity, send you messages, or follow you into games by setting everything to No One. You ensure that none of your friends will be able to track what you're doing in Roblox or join you in games uninvited. By disabling these options, you prevent your friends from being notified about what games you are playing. This means that even though you're online, none of your friends will know when you're active, giving you the freedom to play any game without being bothered or noticed. Once you've adjusted these privacy settings, you'll be able to enjoy Roblox games in peace, almost as if you were playing offline. You can still access all the games and content on Roblox, but your friends won't be able to interact with you or even know that you're online. This is a great way to enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions. So that's basically how you can play Roblox games offline. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.